Hello Mercedes-Benz friend, how is it going today? You can join me in this video on that rear trim. It's a Mercedes-Benz W123 generation, and I will show you how is it attached to that steel bumper. Now somebody did something crazy in the past. You can see the remainings of the duct tape, right? Here are the spots of the glue where the duct tape was. They basically tried to glue that on, right? You can see the remainings of this glue here. It's crazy. I can't even get it off. I'll have to chisel it off or something. It's also here on this part, right? This is basically what belongs here, right? And as you can see now in the detail, there are hooks. You perfectly see it in the video. So that might be broken here. It doesn't matter because this will hold it for me inside, right? So I need to install this part. The hooks are not broken, so these people had no clue what they are doing here, right? They tried to glue it without correctly installing it. Basically what I have to take care of this needs to be nicely slipped in, right? And then I can press in this groove, this rubber part. But I can't even put it on right now. There is so many chunks of the glue remaining here that I cannot even install this trim. I'm trying to remove it from here, so I will do that and then I will continue in this video in the details. And I'm not kidding you, it's so hard, the glue, right? I really have to kind of chisel it away. Look at that. This I will break. That it's flying around. Now, as we discussed, it should be clean enough, right? I removed most of this glue, so I'm going to introduce the trim where it belongs and start moving it this direction, right, to engage those hooks in that trim. And don't forget, if it's not going good for you, you can always get from behind, from underneath, and maybe tap very lightly on those hooks. Because I took time in cleaning and I did a good job, I was able to slide it this way. If you look right here, this is the center of the bumper. This is where the lock is, right? And that's where the two trims will meet. So this one is perfectly engaged. Now I need to rip the other one out of this part. I normally start it right here, right? To grab it, rip it out and install it on the other side. So as I said, right, I start from here, try to open it, and I'm able to rip that rubber trim from it, right? I don't want to break it. There is the glue also here, it's complicated, so I have to be careful not to break the plastic part, but I have to break the glue which is there. It's a pain in the ass, this thing, but can be done. This will be fixed. I guarantee that. Even if I have to partially glue it back or something, this needs to be fixed. I'm glad it was given to me with the car, right? I don't have to buy it or anything, so this is good. This one has actually only one hook remaining, everything else is broken, so this will unfortunately take more time to attach this part. Now, as I said, this one has just one hook. It's now finally perfectly cleaned. So there are many options how to install it, right? You can use again some kind of adhesive all the way on it, or you can use this super strength molding tape. It's extremely thin, right? And I know this is for moldings, so it will last in the sun and in the weather, right? This is a super strong that could fit there too. There are many options, it's up to you which one you will choose. I'm going to use this 3M tape because I had extremely great experience with it in the past. I know it's extremely also expensive, but it holds. It really holds this thing in any weather. So before I will peel it off, right, I will still do a few practice runs, because the moment you put that tape down, that's it. The moment you stick it on like this, there's no way going back. So I'm peeling it off, right, getting it ready. I believe I'm ready to install it. And now it's ready. Now it's the scary moment, right? You don't want to mess up, because as I said, once that 3M tape touches down, that's the way it will stick. And you cannot reposition it or anything like that. Oh yeah, that's a beauty. Also, it's good that you can basically immediately continue, right, your project. You don't have to wait like 24 hours for the glue to dry or anything. This is perfect. And if you are thinking how strong it is, well, because there's a lot of surface, right, and it's a good surface, really smooth, you can pull the car. Car is coming back, you can pull it. Look at this, it's unreal. Oh, watch out, I caught a snake by the neck. Now comes the hard part to clean this. Again, the remainings of the glue and this disgusting remainings of the duct tape. So, yep, more work. And I'm ready for the final stage of the installation, right? I cleaned that groove, especially this groove, as much as I could, right? So it will be easy to install it on this bumper, on this special molding. This is rubber. It's asymmetrical, so where are more lines here that goes down, and the part which has no lines printed in it, it goes up. You can measure, for example, the center of the molding, right, at rubber, and match it here, right, and start from here. Of course, the lubrication, right, is everything. If you can do that, you are golden, because it will be way easier to put it on. Or if it doesn't go in middle, you can start from the corner, right? I remove this molding in beginning, right, starting here. So why I don't just push it on from here? And look, it's nicely actually getting in, and it's working. This is awesome. And I checked my center, right, the mark which I had, and it's basically why I measured it. I don't want to be repositioning it later, right? And whatever works, you know, I'm going to use it. So look, I'm getting better grip on it, so it goes faster. But sure, not bad, not bad. I like that. I will be not here forever. And I think we witness another little miracle, right? Look at it, look at that. That was just gross without that rubber. The whole car from the back looked so badly. Now it's perfectly matching Still needs to be cleaned a little bit more with the brush, but now it's in the place. It will be so much easier to come towards to it with a simple brush and get it off with the water, with the bucket, right? Will take just a few minutes. This is awesome. So my friend, I hope you enjoy another how-to or maintenance service repair video about the Mercedes-Benz, right, on this channel. As you can hear, you really have to use a lot of power. I'm still breathing deeply because it took a lot of me. But anyway, thank you for watching. Be subscribed. I have more videos coming your way soon. See you later, my friend.